Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed in a long time. I feel like this pregnancy, I've just had pregnancy brain and I just haven't wanted to film. I've just wanted to kind of just do my own thing. I haven't had any motivation, but I know a lot of people have been asking for pregnancy updates, especially because I am expecting twins. I feel like I'd be more on top of things on this channel because I am expecting twins and it's so like different and people always have questions and things like that, but I feel like I have been such a slacker and I have so many things I need to do and so many companies I've been working with and I just have been slacking like crazy. But today I am going to be giving you guys my pregnancy update, which I am almost 21 weeks in 2 days. So I'm gonna do from when I last filmed, which I think, is that at like 15 weeks? I have no idea. Honestly, guys, I just pulled the camera out. I was like, I need to film a pregnancy update, let you guys know how I'm feeling, let you guys know the whole spiel and what's been going on in my pregnancy. So, from my last video to now, I am almost 21 weeks and we finally made it the halfway point at my 19-week mark, because if you don't know, twins, you deliver no later than 38 weeks. So 19 weeks is your halfway mark, which for me, I'm like, oh, please. That was the best feeling in the world, to hit 19 weeks and just know I was halfway. So now that I'm over halfway, I'm even more excited about that. So yes. So what has been going on since the last time I updated you guys? My morning sickness is completely gone. I haven't had to take a Zofran. I haven't had to take anything. I feel like I have been crazy good this pregnancy. It's crazy. Like I don't even understand why I'm feeling so good, because I just felt awful my last pregnancy and I was only expecting one, and you would think this time around I'd be like out of control sick, but that is not the case. I have not been sick at all, like since my 15-week mark pretty much, or 16-week mark. But right now I'm feeling great. The only thing I have to complain about is my back and my hip pain. It is like out of control. I cannot even, it's so bad. But I would take this over having nausea and vomiting any day of my entire life. I would honestly rather break both of my legs than have nausea and vomiting. But I've been seeing a chiropractor, and a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you're not supposed to go to a chiropractor during pregnancy. But for me, the chiropractor that I go to, she specializes in pregnancy. So my chiropractor does what is called the Webster technique. If you haven't heard of that, they really focus on your pubic bone, your sciatic area, however you say it, and your hips, and just anything else that you really feel like they need to focus on, they focus on, and they're very gentle. So my chiropractor, when I go in, she usually just does all of the Webster technique, focuses on my lower back, just kind of like does all the pressure points, does my pubic bone, my hips, and then after that, she always tries to like align my upper back. So she does crack my back a little bit, but no lower back cracking. She does a little bit on my middle back and then my upper back, and then she always does my neck, which I am so thankful for because it's helped my sinuses so much. I don't know how, and I don't really care because it works and it feels really good. And other than that, she's just been amazing. So I've been loving going to her. I feel like it has been a huge difference in going and like having the Webster technique. They also help make sure that the babies are head down before you give birth and stuff like that. I know that my chiropractor has helped a lot of people that have given birth to twins and they've been in breech and the babies have been breech, and so she has done things where she's, you know, done her Webster technique and they've been head down, and so they've been able to deliver head down and not had a C-section. So hopefully that's the case with me. And yeah, but baby A, my baby boy, is head down right now. He's gonna be the first out of my hoo-ha, and then baby girl will be second. So what they explained to me is that baby B, the girl, she's like breech, but it doesn't matter. As long as baby A is head down, I can deliver vaginally as of right now. So that's good. I'm very happy about that. But anyways, yeah, my back has been killing me and I feel like the chiropractor has been helping a lot. So that's good. I've been trying so hard not to like bend down, stand up, bend down, stand up, but it doesn't really work with me because I am always cleaning. I'm always doing something. I'm just so like OCD. I have to be doing something all the time. So I feel like that's what's kind of like doing the bad stuff on my back, but I feel like she's helping out. So that's good. Other than that, I really haven't had many symptoms other than like shortness of breath, increased Braxton Hicks. The babies are kicking like crazy. I can finally start to see babies kicking on the outside of my skin, and Court can see it too. It's not like intense, but you can see like a little bit, so it's awesome to see that. I started feeling them kick around like 13 weeks. It was just like flutters, but now it's like, hey mom, hey, I'm in here. So I was gonna tell you guys a story. This was like one reason why I wanted to make this video, was because I'm so stupid and I fell down a couple days ago and my knees hurt so badly. So I guess that can count for my 20 weeks. My knees are in such bad shape. They are so bruised. I'll have to show you guys like a video. I'm like looking at my knee, but I'll have to show you guys a little piece of my knee. Hurts so bad. I fell down. I was chasing after Hudson and my ankle got stuck in my purse strap and I just fell like so hard. I actually ended up going to the doctor that night because I was so worried that like, oh my gosh, I hope nothing happened to the babies, but luckily they gave me an ultrasound and said everything was good and I was on my way. So glad I checked on them just to make sure, but I really did have like a super bad fall and I was so embarrassed to fall in front of people. Like I never fall down. I feel like I'm not that clumsy. I'm clumsy in my brain and I'm like blonde and I'm kind of stupid sometimes, but I don't feel like I fall down that much. So when I fell hard and I was like about to cry, but I didn't, so that's good. But my knees hurt now. So check that off my 20-week pregnancy. Haven't gotten any stretch marks yet, which I'm so thankful about. I've just been lathering up on all the vitamin oil stuff on my belly and all the lotions I can get. I've been putting like eczema cream because I feel like that absorbs so, guys, I'm like situating around so much. I feel like eczema cream has been helping so much. It's not that it's like super itchy, but it's like a tight feeling. And so when I put this on, I feel like it absorbs really good and it lasts a long time. So I like to put that on my belly, especially like at nighttime before bed. That's pretty much what's been going on since the last time you guys have seen me. I've been feeling so much better. I just have had back pain and whatnot, and I just haven't had like any motivation to make videos, and we've had so much going on. Court's stuff has been so stressful with his like work and his pilot training and just like all of that stuff. So I just feel like I haven't really had tons and tons of time to film when I really have had tons of time to film because we really don't do that much. But yeah. So there is my pregnancy update. I will end with my belly shot. My belly is gigantic and it's growing and growing. So that's what's going on. So let me stand up, show you guys the belly. I'm in my pajamas and I'm in a t-shirt that barely fits anymore. So yeah, I definitely look like I'm like 37 weeks, but I'm not. I'm only like almost 21. So yeah. So here is the belly. So big. So veiny. Oh my goodness. There's two in there. Baby boy's head's right there. Baby girl's head's right there. Her feet are going like that. His feet are going like that. So rib kicks all the way around. Whew. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Hudson's having a great time up there. So